Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for creators: free versus paid AI tools. With so many options out there, how do they stack up against each other? Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or content creator, understanding the difference can significantly impact your productivity and output quality. Let's explore this topic together. First, let's clarify what we mean by AI tools. Essentially, these are software applications designed to assist with tasks ranging from content creation, data analysis, image generation, and social media management, all powered by artificial intelligence. They can be categorized into two main types: free tools, which offer basic functionalities at no cost, and paid tools that come with advanced features, usually requiring a subscription or one-time payment. Let's start with free AI tools. One of their biggest advantages is, of course, that they don't cost you anything. For creators just starting or those on a tight budget, this is a significant benefit. Here are some notable free tools. 1. Chatgpt, free tier, ideal for generating ideas and assisting with writing. While the free version has limited capabilities compared to its paid counterpart, it still offers valuable assistance. 2. Canva free. A great option for non-designers, it's packed with templates and drag-and-drop features to create stunning visuals. 3. Trello. Facilitates project management with AI-powered suggestions for task organization. These tools provide a solid introduction to AI, enabling creators to experiment without financial commitment. However, they often come with limitations, such as reduced functionality, watermark designs, or limited usage. For example, we have a mashup of AI Seek, Openai and AI feature of text to video on Capcut and Filmora mobile apps. You can see various models like Claude, Chatgpt, Grok, Gemini, DeepSeek and so on, compiled on AI Seek with full functionalities. All you need to do here is enter your prompt using your preferred model and modify the responses to your satisfaction. The AI functions on Capcut and Filmora are quite useful and have similar features but only fully functional on their paid versions. While free tools have their merits, they also come with drawbacks. Performance is often limited, meaning you might be missing out on features that could significantly enhance your workflow. Additionally, as many free tools monetize through ads or by offering upsells, the user experience can be less than optimal. As a content creator, this can lead to frustration, especially when you're under pressure to deliver quality content quickly. Now let's look at paid AI tools. One major benefit of these tools is the comprehensive features they offer. Here are a few notable paid AI tools. 1. Jasper.ai. Specifically designed for content creators, it provides advanced features for SEO optimization and content generation tailored to your audience. 2. Adobe Photoshop. The paid version includes AI-powered features like smart selection, image enhancement, and various plugins that streamline your workflow. 3. Descript. A powerful tool for video and audio editing that uses AI to provide transcriptions, making edits easier than ever. Paid tools enhance productivity and creative possibilities, allowing for higher quality outputs, which is crucial for anyone looking to stand out in a crowded market. However, paid tools do have their disadvantages. The most apparent is cost. For many creators, particularly those just starting, the subscription fees can seem steep. Additionally, some tools may have a steep learning curve, meaning you'll need to invest time in training and adaptation. Lastly, it's vital to ensure that the tool you're paying for meets your specific needs, or it might feel like a waste of money. So, how do you choose between free and paid options? Consider the following. 1. Budget. Assess your budget. If you can afford it, investing in paid tools may provide a better ROI in the long run. 2. Specific needs. Identify what tasks you want to achieve. For simpler tasks, free tools may suffice, but for more intricate projects, a paid tool could be worthwhile. 3. Trial versions. Many paid tools offer trial periods. Use these to test functionality and see if it meets your expectations before committing. Remember, it's not necessarily either or. Many creators find success by using a combination of free and paid tools to maximize their workflow. In conclusion, both free and paid AI tools have their advantages and drawbacks. What's most important is finding what works best for you in your creative process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on maximizing your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.